Last week I was down almost $1,300. Then I bounced back on Friday with almost $700 in a single day. Thank God. Join me as I break down the wins, the losses, and lessons on the road to building real wealth. What's up, everyone? Welcome to KJ Trades Up, the channel where I keep it real about the wins, the losses, and everything in between when it comes to trading and building wealth. I'm not here to sugarcoat it, just raw lessons, strategies, and the mindset you need to grow. If you're ready to learn, trade smarter, and level up with me, hit the subscribe button and let's get to it. First of all, here's a glimpse of how my August profit loss is going. As you can see, I'm down $247, but cannot complain. After how much I was down in the beginning of last week, I will tell you this. I am glad I learned to have patience. You have no idea how bad I wanted to sell some of the stocks to stop the bleeding. I'm glad I didn't though, because Friday wouldn't have been so good. Big moves are coming, I believe, because Jerome Powell hinted rates may go down, reason why the big push was on Friday. This meeting is set for, I believe, the September 16th and 17th. So here's what I have for call options that I'm sticking with until at least September 19th, which is my expiration date. So if the rates do drop, I see these stocks climbing quick. So first one we got is Amazon. Again, all of them are expiration dates on September 19th, except for the last one is Apple. I'll get into that one later. So Amazon, I got the strike price at $242.50. My price was $1.04. And of course, with these, you times it all by 100. So I got that at $1.04. I'm sticking with that one. SoFi, I bought two options on that at 67 cents, strike price $25. I've got IWM, that one there I got price for 66 cents, strike price $245. Hims got me this time. So I've traded Hims this is my fourth time now. 3 times I've made money on it. But this one, I thought I was buying the dip. So I did the call option, $2.63, which is $263. I did a strike price at 70. I thought I bought it at the dip, but it kept dipping. So that one there is a really good loss for me right now. But here's the Apple one. Apple I have for December 19th. 98 cents is what I got the option for, strike price 270. This one here is the reason why I got the Apple is in the beginning of September, they will be announcing their iPhone 17 and of course their Apple Watch. So if they do that in the beginning of September, most likely they'll launch it in mid to late September, which, to me, the stocks should go up on that. But that's the same time around the Fed's dropping the rates if they do, right? So if these companies, these big companies, they have loans, right? So if they do drop the interest rate, these companies will refinance their loan, get a little less interest rate, right? And so when they do that, then since they're paying less interest, the company shows more value. Then there's more cash on hand, which makes the company worth more. So that's why I'm keeping up with these stocks. I'm not going to touch them on until September 18th, probably is my last day of doing anything with it. If they do lower the rates, in my opinion, these stocks should jump dramatically. So we'll see about that. And cross our fingers on that, and hopefully it gets to that point. So what I'm looking for this coming week is a company called Open Door Technologies, symbol open, OPEN. It was trading on Friday at $5.01. I'm looking to buy it below $5.50. This is a stock that I will though keep an eye on or put a stop loss. Reason being is because this is a stock that I'm just going to get in and get out. This stock, I'm going to buy about 50 shares is what I'm looking to do. If it hits $100, I'm out. I'm trading it and we're moving on. This company is a online company that buys and sells residential real estate. So they make cash offers, make necessary repairs, and then they put it back on the market. So that's why it's one of those, it's probably going to go up and then just drop and buy and sell. So I'm not going to mess with that if I can make it, but $100, boom, I'm out. So also too though, this week, what I'm looking to do is I'm looking to sell either Tuesday or Wednesday AMD. Probably going to have some losses they're going to be showing because of the tariffs that they were paying. And then it got changed. Now it's at 15% and China may not be using them. So if it drops, it might drop big time, right? So depending on how the chart is moving, I will pick it back up on Friday if it makes sense. So those are the options that I'm doing. Those are the picks that I'll be picking this week. So other than that, I don't plan on doing anything too crazy, especially this week. But that is all it. So that's a wrap up on today's episode of KJ Trades Up. Remember, the market is all about patience, discipline, and learning from every win and every loss. I'll keep showing you my journey, the ups, the downs, and everything in between so we can grow together. If you found the value in today's show, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Drop your thoughts, questions, or even your own trade in the comments. I'd love to hear what moves you're making. Let's not depend on the whales, what they're doing. Let's become the whales. Until next time, keep studying, keep trading, and keep leveling up. This is KJ signing off. Let's trade up. Peace.